Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update for Sunday. So this is the last day of the week, and what I want to do is motivate you just a little bit. I'm in the mood of actually being a motivational speaker. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, when life gives you lemon, make lemonades, right? If you have red candles, if you have stress, if you have anxiety with crypto, you shouldn't be. Appreciate the fact that things go down, and it's all about the mind change. In this mind change, all you have to do is think about the positive side of it for a moment. Just think about the positive side of it for a second, because when things start to go down, that only means that you are having an opportunity to buy cheap. Oh, that sounds so inspiring. Thank you so much, right? And that's all. You see, you have a technical target here. So whoever is in this trade, I think that was a nice, good idea by you, by the way, because things are about to go down and down and down. And yeah, but this retest is a little bit shady. You know, when you went down, went up like this is a little bit of a shady retest. I actually could expect one huge pump and then actually drop down to this technical target. I kind of see a lot of stop losses being set here. I kind of feel that, and this retest wasn't a perfect one, so I can expect one small push back up, take that stop loss, and this is where you have your nice good entry to probably go way down. I cannot really say with a lot of confidence it's going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised if it just pumps up here and then finally drops for a 34% move to the downside. And that's pretty much all for this video regarding Pepe. But before I close the video, I do see that there's another pretty much a support area right over there, which I think is going to be broken sooner or later. I kind of see this support being broken. I don't see this support being lasting forever. Now, the thing before I close the video is that if you start to break below that support and go up, then expect another bigger technical target, because this whole thing does look like a whole pattern to me. And that pattern takes, Pepe all the way down from there to there. So we could be looking at another drop, and we could be looking at Pepe even probably down to 6,000. But we're going to talk about that one in the future. Let's see if you can hold 10,000. Yeah, so let's see if you can really hold 10,000. If you start to lose 9577, then you're looking for that technical target of 82627. But I do think you're kind of going to have to drop all the way down to 10,525. And that's it for the video update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.